first of all. Show me where the pain is.
The pain is here.
The pain is here. And just tell me a little history about what happened. You had a fall, right? So just
Yes,
so
I fall on my head,
Mhm.
and then when it impacts on the floor, I feel it radiated on my neck.
And so you feel it on this one side. You feel
No, all throughout.
all throughout, huh? And spreading how far down?
Here.
Into the shoulder areas, yeah? Okay, so until that, and in that time, it happened on the 29th. Okay, and from the 29th until the time that you came to me, had you done anything about it? Did you go to any doctors, anything else?
No.
No, okay, so you've come here. We've started our corrections, step by step.
Mm-hmm.
And how do you feel that your body is progressing so far? What do you feel? What are you noticing in the body?
Yeah, the whole body? Or the
The neck area of the body, what?
Yeah, after 2 days, 3 days of cracking, it feels
Better.
less painful than
Really?
when we started.
You've noticed a difference? How much better would you say it is compared to before?
Before, I would say the pain is at level 7, now 3, 4.
Wow. It's a positive sign for you?
Yeah.
Is that a good sign? Good. Well, long may this continue. Yes. And when we took some x-rays to see the issue.
Mm-hmm.
Is it understandable what we saw in the neck, that deviation? Remember that?
Yes.
Yeah, so what we want to do is we want to create as much healthy movement as possible to help those nerves going into the shoulders. Alright, and we'll carry on monitoring this. Alright, let's have you lie face down, let's check you through. Comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You tell me which one is more tender. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
4.
4. It's going to help your digestion as well. It's going to help your whole body work better. We're stimulating the nerve. Beautiful. Turn to the side, facing this way. Very good. Straight to this way. Perfect. Lie on your back. Beautiful. Perfect. I'm going to check that again. For that area, is it the same tenderness or less than before?
Less than before.
Less than before, okay. That's what we expect. Step by step, we get perfect healing, strong neck, strong arms and shoulders.
Mm-hmm.